Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name remains Chinenye Eze, and today I'm going to be taking you through an evening in my life as a mom of two on maternity leave. As you guys already know, I had a baby a few months ago, and to be honest, some days can be so hard, some days can be easy, but I've decided to enjoy the moment because this is not going to last forever. These children keep growing every day, and every day spent is never repeated. So join me as I take you through my evening. We are making yam and egg. To be honest, this is my favorite. So any day I'm making yam and egg, I'm usually excited. No matter how stressed my day has been, it just gives me that bubble of energy when I know that I'm making yam and egg. And see, our tomatoes is still there. So like I was saying earlier on, some days can be really tough. Before I started my maternity leave, I was picturing it to be a time where I would have a lot of time to myself to do things. The baby will suck and she would sleep. But no, that is not the truth. Do you know what? Because I'm a mom of two, my first child when he was a baby, he was such a calm baby. So I thought that this my second child would be like that as well. Oh my god. It is well. I probably would do a video on what nobody told me about being a second time mom because I feel like people don't stress this enough. Hmm. Anyways, let me just leave you to it for some time. So normally I would like to do my dishes while I'm wash and while I'm cooking. I like to tidy up as well while I'm cooking. Just because by the time I'm done cooking and I finish my food, I'm so tired. I don't want to do too much anymore. If for any reason I haven't washed or tidied up while I was cooking, by the time I'm done cooking, that's it. I'll be leaving it till the following morning. So today is actually a productive day in my life. I'll try and film an unproductive day in my life as well. So you guys can understand that it's okay. It's okay, moms. It's okay not to be perfect. It's okay to be tired. It's okay to not want to cook. It's not every day that I want to cook. It's okay to just want to lay in bed. So give yourself that time. Don't stress yourself. Any day you have the energy, crack on. Get those jobs done. The day you don't feel like, just do what your body wants to do. Do what the baby wants. And sometimes I like to say that it's the babies that lead us. They are the ones who really channel what they want us to do and all. And then over time, you then start to channel and to lead them on what you want them to do. So at this stage, I just want to fry my egg and mm, in the night like this, I'm just in two things are in my mind. Is she going to sleep well or not? And if she sleeps well, then my night time is usually the time when once she sleeps, I'll do my editing of my videos and just try and finish up on any tasks that I've got to do. But some nights she wouldn't sleep on time. So, but even though we are in bed, she's not sleeping on time. So, if a night like that, there's really nothing much that I can do. So, that's it. To be honest, I feel like we don't stress it enough that it's okay to be tired as mom. It's just okay. We're not robots. It's a hard job to be a mom. I think it's one of the hardest job to do, being a mom. Even if you're not working, you're a mom at home. You're more busy than somebody who is working. I would say it over and over again. The amount of job that I do in the house whilst I'm on maternity leave is worse than what I was doing when I was working full time. So yeah, pat yourself on the back if nobody pats you. Yeah, the food is finally ready. The hard work finally paid off. So let's eat. Once I finished eating, I quickly swept the floor. This one, I usually would do it once I'm done eating. But if for any reason I'm not able to do it, I do it the following morning. So 7 o'clock, I was done and it was time to go to bed. So I did my bed routines, and that was it really. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't seen my other videos, stay well on this channel and keep watching. You would enjoy the content on this channel. If you haven't subscribed, I mean, what are you waiting for? Kindly hit on the notification bell and subscribe so that you would always be notified every time there is a new upload. Thank you so much for watching, and do well to like this video. Put in the comment section, what is your routines like? If you're a mom on maternity leave, I would really love to know what your thoughts are. And if not, kindly let me know what you think about how much it is not stressed enough that it's okay. It's okay to be tired as a mom on maternity leave. Thank you very much for watching.